In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Canva. If you've ever tried building a table manually with lines and boxes, you already know how slow and frustrating that can be. It takes extra time, alignment can easily get messy, and the final result often looks uneven. The good news is that Canva has a built-in table feature that makes the process much easier. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to open your project, find the table tool, insert a table, adjust it, and then export your finished design. To get started, open Canva and go to the project where you want to add your table. From your homepage, look through your recent designs and open the presentation, document, or report you want to edit. Once the project loads, click on the page where you want the table to appear. This helps make sure you're working in the right area before adding anything new to the layout. Next, move to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps many of its design tools and visual assets. Inside the Elements panel, scroll down until you find the Table section. If you don't see all the options right away, click See All to open the full table library. This will give you a better view of the available table styles and presets. Now choose the table style that works best for your design. You might want something simple and clean, or maybe a style with a stronger header row for a more professional look. Once you click a table preset, Canva will place a default table directly onto your page. In most cases, it appears as a basic grid with a few rows and columns, which gives you a solid starting point. After the table is inserted, you can begin customizing it. Click inside any cell to activate the table. You'll notice controls for rows and columns appear around it. To change the width of a column, hover over the boundary line and drag it left or right. To adjust rows, use the controls on the side. If you need more space for data, you can add extra rows or columns. If you have too many, you can remove the ones you don't need. This makes it easy to shape the table around your content instead of forcing your content to fit a rigid layout. Before exporting, take a moment to position the table neatly on your page. As you move it, Canva will show alignment guides to help you center it or line it up with other elements. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if the design is for digital use or PDF print if you plan to print it. Then click Download to save your finished file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.